Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. So you're stuck on the road and due to a flat tire, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly plug your tire. So to fix your tire, you really don't need anything fancy. All you really need is a tire kit that's going to come with this piece, this piece, and the cement glue. Of course, since I'm doing this at home, preferably you can use a plier to remove the nail or any metal stuff that puncture your tire. Soap to verify where the leak is coming from. A tire pump and a power source. So the first thing you want to do is locate where you think the puncture is coming from. So once you verify that, get yourself soap, add a little bit on top of it. If it starts to bubble up, then you know where the leak is coming from. Next, get yourself a plier and just remove whatever piece that punctured your tire. So the next step is to look for this piece, your tire kit. It's gonna have a lot of these ridges right here, and that's gonna use to clean up the surface. So basically, once you locate that spot, go ahead and just puncture into that hole and just work it a few times. You don't really have to make the hole that big. Just go back and forth a few times until it's nice and smooth. And that's all you really have to do. Next, get yourself a paper towel. Make sure you move all the soap is on it. Just clean it very good. Next, you want to locate this piece here. And you want to locate this piece that has a hole in it. As you can see, I have already put this piece into this piece here already. So there's a little hole right there, and just slip it right in there. So you want it to bend like this. Now this is the most important part. Get rubber cement. Put a little bit in that hole first as a starting point. Next, get your piece over here and put rubber cement all around it. Make sure you get it evenly, because if you don't, you're gonna have that leak still. Okay, get as much as you can. Don't worry about wasting it. The goal here is to fix the problem, fix the leak. Again, add a lot into that hole. Now you get this piece and puncture it in there. Actually, you want to center it first like this, and then puncture into that hole right there. You want to stop about maybe 70% to 80% of the way. Once it's in about that much, go ahead and pull out the tool. As you can see, now most of it is inside. Maybe about 70% of it is inside. Next, get your cement glue and add more. Again, don't worry about wasting it. Just get as much as you can. Your goal here is to fix your tire. So here's a close-up view of how it's supposed to look like. Again, about maybe 70 to 80% of the way. You want some sticking out. And so you want a good amount that goes in and a good amount that's sticking out. Once the cement glue is dry, you can go ahead and snip these pieces out with a cutter. So you want the cement glue to dry as long as possible. But if you're in a rush, and let's say you're at home, you could use yourself a heat gun or just use a blow dryer. That worked just fine, and just turn it on. As you can see, now the plug is done. I've already snipped it off, and I'm ready to inflate it. Next, I'm get my air compressor or tire pump, however you want to call it. I get a power source, and let's see what happens. As always, verify for leaks by putting soap on it. As you can see, there are no bubbles. Go ahead and add a little bit more. So I believe that is a fix. So this tire was extremely flat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure that's sealing properly at the bead as well by simply just by adding water. So you want to do this on both sides and make sure you don't see any air bubbles around the bead. So if you see no air bubbles anywhere, that means your tire is pretty much fixed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.